Hey guys. Okay, so in this week's video, I want to take a slightly different direction, let's just say. I want to use this week's video to make a request of you guys. Please, 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 and I mean please, can we stop using terminology like Res A or Res B or RB4, all of that sort of stuff, because it means absolutely nothing to us as planners. See, people often come to me and go, oh, I've got this Res B site, 600 square meters, what can I do with it? And I sit there and go, you may as well be telling me it's in Unicornsville or Fairies Land or something like that, because those terms mean absolutely nothing to me. See, most of the time people get this information, let's just say, from sources like RP data. RP data is data. That doesn't quite make sense. You get what I'm trying to say. The data that goes into populating those systems, that's a better way of saying it, is taken from the 1987 town plan. It's as if time stopped like 25 years ago. They took a little snapshot and it's just stayed there ever since. Yeah, we've gone through just a couple of town plans since then. Like we had City Plan 2000, City Plan 2014. Hate to break it to you guys, but I don't really care about what zone the property was in 25 years ago. Kind of means nothing today. So, moral of the story, point I want to get across today is please, please, please stop relying on data sources like RP data for the purpose of zoning. Use Brisbane City Council's interactive mapping system because it's going to give you that up-to-date, accurate information that we can actually interpret and do something with. Okay, that covers off everything I want to talk about. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site specific. You would be a silly billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.